Today, we're learning how to create awesome buttons in WordPress using Nexter blocks. Buttons are like the high five of your website. They grab attention and make people click. Let's start from scratch. Installing the plugin, adding buttons, and styling them like a pro. Don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step. Before we begin, ensure that the WordPress block editor is active on your site. Additionally, activate the Nexter blocks free version. Step 1. Install and activate the Nexter blocks free version. To install the Nexter blocks plugin in WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and type Nexter blocks in the search bar. Find the Nexter blocks plugin in the results, click the Install Now button, and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Step 2. Activate the button block in Nexter blocks. Go to the Nexter blocks dashboard. Then, click on the Blocks tab. Now, in the search bar, type Button. Toggle the switch to activate the button block. And then, click on Save Settings to confirm. Step 3. Adding a button block to your website. Let's add your first button. Start by navigating to your dashboard. Go to Pages, then choose Add New, or edit an existing page. Once you're in the editor, click the plus button to open the block menu. Search for Button, then select the Nexter button block. Step 4. Customize the button block. Once you've added the button block to your page, head to the Content tab. In the title section, you can enter the text you'd like to display on the button. For example, you can type Buy Now, Explore More, or any other call to action text that fits your needs. If you're using the Pro version of Nexter blocks, you can add dynamic content by clicking the small cylindrical icon at the end of the field. Next, use the link field to add a custom URL for the button. Just like the title, you can also insert a dynamic link by clicking the cylindrical icon. To adjust the button's alignment for different devices, go to the Alignment section. Want to add an icon or image to your button? Use the Icon Type field to choose your preference. Once enabled, you'll see options to upload an icon or image under the Icon/Image section. Depending on your selection, you'll have different customization options to make your button stand out. Step 5. Style the button block. Let's make your button look exactly how you want it. All the customization options are under the Style tab, so let's dive in. In the button section, you can adjust the typography, like font style and size, and choose a text color and background color that match your website. Add a border if you like, and tweak its thickness, color, and corner radius for a polished look. You can also control the padding to balance the spacing inside the button. If you've added an icon or image, resize it to fit perfectly with your text. For more advanced tweaks, explore the Advanced section. Here, you can fine-tune the button's appearance to ensure it looks great on all devices. Once you're happy with your button, then click Preview. To see your button in action, this is a great way to make sure everything looks perfect before your visitors see it. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and style button in WordPress using Nexter blocks. It's simple, fun, and makes your website look amazing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.